You're angry, but have you taken the same medicine today?
No, y'all won't let me get it. I'm telling them I'm in pain whole weekend. Y'all got me caged in the house. Y'all done. They got my mama like she locked up.
Wait a
Like
minute.
can't leave the house. Can't do none of that. Like
And that makes you angry with the state, right?
I'm going through withdrawals. Yes, I'm angry.
Okay. You said caged in a house. Are there bars on the home you were in?
No, they telling her when she can leave, this and that. I ain't agree to none of that.
Okay. Did the state make you go back to the Fulton County Jail?
Shit, they should've. Before I let my family feel like they locked up, I go lay down. I ain't tripping. I ain't one of them people scared to go to jail. I done did 8, 9 years. I ain't scared of jail.
Okay. Did you want to go back to the jail?
It don't make me none.
Did you tell the court you would rather be in the jail than be at your mom's house?
Before I let y'all just keep putting my family through this for something I did, I'm a grown man. I got my own house. I got my own everything.
Mr. Zachary, can you allow me to finish asking you questions before you answer? Did you tell the court that you'd rather be in jail than stay at
I
your...
don't know.
Your Honor, would the court please apprise the witness to allow me to finish the question before he answers?
Listen to the whole question before you answer it and try to answer the question that is asked, please.
Thank you. Did you ever tell the court that you would rather be in the jail than at your mother's house?
I don't know.
Sir?
I don't remember.
Okay. Now, were you handcuffed inside your mom's house?
I might have well. Y'all took my phones. I can't do nothing. I ain't agreed to none of that.
Okay. That's not the question I asked. Were you handcuffed inside your mom's house?
No, I was on house arrest. I leg months on my leg.
A leg, okay. So, do you now recall graduating from CRIM?
No, I never graduated.
Objection
Last
asked and
graduation.
answered.
Overruled.
Last graduation was kindergarten. Everything else was attorney schools. Attorney school don't have graduation.
Okay. Do you recall finishing 12th grade at CRIM? You have to answer.
I told you I never made it to no 12th grade.
Okay. Do you recall telling Detectives Gaither and Dennis in August 5th, 2015, that you finished in either 05 or 09, something of that?
Objection relevance.
Sustained.
Your Honor, I don't want to speak in front of the jury. May I approach with the
Yes.
relevance?
Yes.
Did you go down to the Atlanta Police Department because of a request from Detectives Gaither and Dennis, or did you request to speak with Detectives Gaither and Dennis?
I ain't never request speak no police.
Okay. Do you know whether anyone made a request on your behalf?
No, I know ain't nobody did nothing like that.
Do you recall Detective Gaither telling you, okay, so you wanted to speak to us, we're here. You kept trying to get to us, you've been trying to reach us, and now we're here.
No, somebody called them, asked them what was I locked up for. That was it.
Okay. So when she said that to you, did you tell her, hey, I didn't call you, I didn't want to talk to you?
I don't remember what I told them.
Okay. If you didn't want to talk to them, did you have the sense that you could tell them you didn't want to talk to them?
No, I don't have no sense at all.
Okay.
Been on drugs my whole life.
Okay. Now, when you say you've been on drugs your whole life, what kind of drugs?
Prescription drugs.
Sir?
Prescription drugs.
Okay. And do you take the amount of prescription drugs that you are prescribed, or do you take something different, a different amount?
Ain't none of your business.
Okay. Well, do you take an amount more than what the doctor tells you to take?
Ain't none of your business.
Your Honor, with the court, actually, I withdraw that question.
Okay.
Does the amount of drugs that you take cause you to act a certain way different than you normally act?
It's just the drugs that I get. So, and you can take no matter how many you take.
Does it cause you to act a different way than you would normally act?
Yes.
What way?
Calmer. I mean, not really calm, but I don't be focused.
Okay. And when you say that you're not focused, how does that show itself when you're talking to people? What does it look like?
Talk too much.
You talk too much? Okay. And when you're talking too much, do you later regret talking too much, or is it that why do you feel like you talk too much? What makes it too much? I'll rephrase. When you say you talk too much, what do you mean you talk too much?
I don't know. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't remember.
Okay. When you went down to the police department.
Somebody went down when they took me.
Oh, you remember them coming to get you?
I know I ain't went nowhere. To went, you gotta go down there yourself.
Say that again?
To being went, I been on went down on myself. I ain't went nowhere myself.
Okay. And when you say they took you, who are you talking about?
Whoever took me, I don't remember.
Okay. Do you remember if it was the same people you talked to in the room?
I don't remember.
Okay. Now, whoever took you, did they threaten you? On the way down there, did they threaten you? Whoever took you from the jail to the police department, did they threaten you?
No, I don't remember.
Is it no or you don't remember?
I don't remember.
Okay. Now, are you taking the drugs now that you said caused you to talk too much?
No, I just told you y'all won't let me go get them. I'm withdrawing.
Okay. When you were in the interview room, or actually walking into the interview room, did anybody threaten you?
I don't know.
Sir?
I don't know.
When you got in the interview room, did anybody threaten you?
Objection asked and answered.
Sustained.
Do you remember whether or not you were asked if anyone threatened you?
I don't know.
Okay. Mr. Zachary, is it that you don't remember or you don't want to talk because you're angry?
I said I don't remember.
Okay. Now, did you sign any kind of form saying no one had threatened you and made you any promises?
I don't remember nothing. No years, no months. I don't remember nothing.
Then how did you remember being taken down to the police station from the jail?
Because I know I ain't went nowhere. I know that.
Okay. Did the drugs that you were on Friday help you remember that you were interviewed in August 2015?
No, I told I've been remember. I just don't remember what happened.
When you say I've been remembered, what are you talking about, Mr. Zachary?
I'm on probation for this interview. I'm on probation, so I know what I'm on probation for.
Okay. Okay, I'm not asking about probation. I'm just asking about the interview. When you said that you remembered on Friday, did the drugs that you were taking help you remember that you had the interview on August 5th, 2015?
I don't know.
Okay. Were you offered the opportunity to have a lawyer if you wanted one?
I don't remember.
When you were in that interview room in August of 2015, had you already been arrested and released from jail for that May incident at the gas station where you had the gun?
Yes.
Okay. And do you remember how long you were out from when you were released then and got back in jail and ended up in that interview room?
I don't remember. In May to August, it had to be a month or two.
Do you know what you were arrested for in August, if it wasn't that gun?
I just told you I know what I'm on probation for. Yes, I remember what I'm arrested for.
Okay. So since the jury doesn't know, and I need you not to get into the details of things I don't ask you about, but could you just answer what it was that you were arrested for on the day you talked to the police in August, on August 5th, 2015? Do you remember what charges or what date or anything about it?
13 aggravated assaults, I think.
13 aggravated assaults?
Yes.
Okay. And were they aggravated assaults that had happened around April?
Yes.
All right. Were they aggravated assaults that happened on any other days?
You just said April.
I know what I said, but you're the only one that can give testimony. Were they aggravated assaults that happened on any other days?
What you mean, any other days?
Was April the only date that you had warrants for aggravated assaults for when you talked to the police on August 5th, 2015?
I don't know.
Okay. At the time, did you have a lawyer in August 5th, 2015?
I don't remember.
Did you ever get a lawyer after August 5th, 2015 to represent you on those charges you were arrested on?
Yes.
All right. And did that same lawyer represent you on the charges with the gun or somebody different?
Yes, same lawyer.
Same lawyer? Okay. Did you ever ask for that lawyer in the interview on August 5th, 2015?
I don't remember nothing about no August 15th.
Did you sign any papers saying that you understood your rights in that interview with Gaither and Dennis?
I don't understand nothing. I don't know. I probably signed it. I don't understand nothing.
When you say you don't understand nothing, tell the jury what you mean, please.
I don't understand nothing.
What does that mean?
I don't understand.
You understand what we're talking about though, right?
Not really.
You don't understand the questions that I'm asking.
I understand about my case. That's all I understand about.
Okay.
Because I know what I'm on probation for.
If I ask you a question you don't understand, would you please tell me I don't understand so that I can clarify? Will you do that for me and for us?
All right.
Sir?
Say all right.
Thank you. All right. Did you sign a piece of paper when you talked to Detective Gaither and Dennis in 2015 saying, I understand my rights?
Obviously, I didn't understand them, but I don't remember.
So you wish you did not
I
understand?
said, obviously, I didn't understand them, but I don't remember.
So why do you say obviously you didn't understand them, Mr. Zachary?
I had no damn business right there.
Sir?
I had no business right there.
Mr. Zachary, could you speak into the microphone?
I had no business right there.
You have no business right there?
Yeah.
Right where?
Talking to no police.
Why? Why'd you smack your lips just now?
Nothing. I don't know.
You don't remember why you smacked your lips just now?